Hey Janet, and here is a unit that we happen to have at the house, and this one is cool. So this is one of those radiator heaters, pretty straightforward. It's got a thermostat right here. It actually has two different burners, which I believe correspond to heating off of the right-hand side and off of the left-hand side. So so there's the thermostat, so cranking it all the way up. It doesn't have a blower, so it does need to be warmed up, but yeah, it cranks out the heat, so I think that this would fit the bill for one of the bedrooms downstairs. So anyway, just thought you might want to peruse this or maybe forward the video along to the tenants to have a look at.